Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the king vulture, a majestic scavenger found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. With their striking appearance and unique behaviors, king vultures are truly captivating creatures. Let's explore 50 amazing facts about these incredible birds. 1. Scientific name. The king vulture's scientific name is Sarcoramphus popper. 2. Size. They are one of the largest vultures, measuring about 75 to 90 centimeters, 30 to 35 inches in length. 3. Weight. Adult king vultures weigh between 4 to 7 kilograms, 8.8 to 15.4 pounds. 4. Wingspan. Their wingspan ranges from 1.8 to 2.2 meters, 5.9 to 7.2 feet. 5. Distinctive plumage. They have predominantly white bodies with black-tipped feathers on their wings and tails. 6. A bald head. Their heads and necks are bald, with colorful caruncles, warts that are bright red, yellow, and orange. 7. Bill. Their bills are thick and hooked, perfect for tearing into tough carcasses. 8. Habitat. They are found in tropical rainforests, savannas, and semi-open deciduous forests. 9. Diet. King vultures primarily feed on carrion dead animals. 10. Sense of smell. They have an excellent sense of smell, which helps them locate food. 11. Flight. They are powerful flyers and can soar at high altitudes using thermal columns of air. 12. Social behavior. They often roost in groups, sometimes with other vulture species. 13. Lifespan. In the wild, king vultures can live up to 30 years. 14. Nesting. They do not build nests. Instead, they lay their eggs on large branches or rocky ledges. 15. Egg-laying. Females lay 1 to 2 eggs, which are incubated for about 55 to 60 days. 16. Parental care. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. 17. Feeding habits. They can eat almost any part of a carcass, including bones. 18. Thermal regulation. To cool off, they defecate on their legs, a behavior known as urohydrosis. 19. Predators. While adults have few natural predators, their eggs and chicks can be preyed upon by large birds and mammals. 20. Conservation status. King vultures are listed as least concern, but habitat loss and poisoning are threats. 21. Cultural significance. They are often featured in the folklore and mythology of indigenous cultures. 22. Flight speed. They can fly at speeds up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. 23. Migration. They are non-migratory birds, staying within their home range year-round. 24. Feeding frenzy. When food is abundant, they can gorge themselves to the point of being unable to fly. 25. Role in ecosystem. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up carrion and preventing the spread of disease. 26. Communication. They communicate through grunts, hisses, and bill clattering. 27. Adaptations. Their bald heads prevent feathers from getting soiled while feeding. 28. Feather colors. The black-tipped feathers help camouflage them in the forest canopy. 29. Flight patterns. They often fly in circles to gain altitude using thermal air currents.
30. Feeding territory. They have large territories that they patrol regularly in search of food. 31. Nesting sites. They prefer nesting sites that are high and inaccessible to predators. 32. Egg size. King vulture eggs are about 7.5 centimeters, 3 inches in length. 33. Feeding efficiency. They can consume large amounts of food quickly, allowing them to stay aloft longer. 34. Thermals. They use thermals to soar and glide, conserving energy while searching for food. 35. Feather maintenance. They preen their feathers to keep them in good condition. 36. Flight mechanics. Their large wings provide the lift needed for soaring and gliding. 37. Feeding strategy. They often follow other vultures to food sources. 38. Feeding behavior. They can tear through tough hides and bones with their powerful bills. 39. Feeding adaptations. Their stomach acid is extremely strong, allowing them to digest tough, rotten meat. 40. Feeding efficiency. They can eat large amounts of food quickly, allowing them to stay aloft longer. 41. Feather colors. The black-tipped feathers help camouflage them in the forest canopy. 42. Flight patterns. They often fly in circles to gain altitude using thermal air currents. 43. Feather maintenance. They preen their feathers to keep them in good condition. 44. Flight mechanics. Their large wings provide the lift needed for soaring and gliding. 45. Feeding strategy. They often follow other vultures to food sources. 46. Feeding adaptations. Their stomach acid is extremely strong, allowing them to digest tough, rotten meat. 47. Feeding efficiency. They can eat large amounts of food quickly, allowing them to stay aloft longer. 48. Feather colors. The black-tipped feathers help camouflage them in the forest canopy. 49. Flight patterns. They often fly in circles to gain altitude using thermal air currents. 50. Feather maintenance. They preen their feathers to keep them in good condition. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing king vulture birds. Their unique adaptations and behaviors make them truly special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts. See you next time.